What's up? Welcome to Models and Agents for Beginners, episode 97 for July 9th, 2026. Let's break down today's coolest AI news so anyone can understand it. Let's go. OpenAI just rolled out something called GPT-Live to people who already pay for ChatGPT. This turns the chatbot most of us already know into a system that can see through your phone camera and talk back in real time with its own voice. Think of it like switching from texting a friend to hopping on a video call where they can watch what you show them and answer without any delay. Instead of typing a question and waiting, you speak naturally and the AI listens, watches, and replies while the conversation stays smooth. Most of us already use chatbots for homework help or brainstorming ideas for school projects. Live voice and video makes those moments feel more like having a patient tutor right beside you who can look at whatever you point the camera at. That shift matters because it changes how students might practice speeches or how friends could work on creative ideas without being in the same room. For you, it could mean asking the AI to guide you through fixing something on your bike while you show it the parts with your camera. The feature is already live for paid users, so open the ChatGPT app on your phone, update it if needed, and tap the new Live button to start. No extra sign-up is required if you already have a paid plan. Now for the deep dive, where we look at how this live mode actually works under the hood. Picture a group video call with friends where everyone talks and the app keeps everything moving without awkward gaps. The AI does something similar, except it has to understand your words instantly, decide on a reply, and speak it while also watching anything you show on camera. It starts by chopping your spoken words into tiny sound pieces it can handle quickly, like slicing a long sentence into bite-sized chunks. Next, it checks those pieces against everything it has learned before and picks the best response based on both what you said and what the camera sees right now. It keeps a short running memory of just the last few seconds, kind of like a sticky note that gets refreshed constantly so the flow never resets. That constant back and forth speed is what makes the whole thing feel like talking to a real person instead of sending messages and waiting. Once you try it, the difference between typing and speaking becomes clear right away. You end up with a tool that feels alive because it matches the natural rhythm of conversation. Okay, now let's check out some other cool tools you can try today. First up is Grok 4.5 from the team at xAI. xAI just released Grok 4.5 as a new version. Elon Musk says the model aims to match the power of top models while staying lighter and cheaper to run. It can handle creative writing, it answers questions, it helps with everyday tasks the same way other chatbots do. Anyone with an X account can try it right now for free on the X app or at grok.x.ai. Next is Google's deepfake detection work that recently helped spot a fake photo of a senator that was spreading online. Earlier this week, a scary-looking photo of Senator Mitch McConnell spread online. The photo turned out to be completely made up by AI. Google's deepfake detection system helped prove it was fake. The system spotted the telltale signs that human eyes miss. This kind of tool matters because fake images can spread fast on social media and cause real confusion. While the full detector isn't open to everyone yet, you can still practice spotting fakes yourself by looking closely at lighting, shadows, and background details in photos you see online. Time for Quick Bits, where we cover two smaller updates in just a few sentences each. Mistral released a small model called RoboStral Navigate. This model has 8 billion parameters. It guides robots through new spaces using only a single camera feed. It was trained mostly in video game simulations. It was then fine-tuned with reinforcement learning. This approach could make it easier for future robots to explore places they've never seen before. The company Mistral is entering robotics with this model. Amazon is also working on a new version of Alexa nicknamed Moonraker. Amazon is working on a new version of Alexa nicknamed Moonraker that can handle longer multi-step tasks. Instead of answering one question at a time, the goal is for it to plan and carry out things like booking a trip. It can manage a shopping list without you giving every single instruction. It is still in development. It is not available yet. Amazon is reported to be working on this more powerful agentic assistant. And that's a wrap. If any of today's stories made you go, huh, that's cool, go play with it. Curiosity is how every expert started. See you tomorrow. And if you'd rather watch than listen, find us on YouTube at Nara Network. Links in the show notes. And before you go, this show is part of the Nara Network, a family of daily podcasts on tech, science, and markets, each one a short, sharp briefing you can finish on the commute. If today earned its place in your feed, here's your next listen. Unintended Consequences, True Stories of Good Intentions That Backfired. Find every show free at naranetwork.com. And on the website, every episode's visuals live in our free image gallery at naranetwork.com/gallery. Royalty free under Creative Commons, download with attribution. This episode used AI voice synthesis of my voice. Editorial selection and analysis are my own.